Plants. Plants are a living organism of the kind exemplified by trees, shrubs, herbs, grasses, ferns, and mosses. Gardening is one of my favorite activities. The way I found out about my love of plants is when I got a succulent for my birthday. Prior to this, I considered myself to have a black thumb. Spoiler, the succulent died. But this experience helped me realize that I wanted to keep working with plants, so I bought another one at the grocery store the very next day. Thus, the adventure began. After that second plant, I bought one after the other. Soon my windows were filled with plants of every shape and size.
Gardening is a wonderful hobby to indulge in. A new Japanese study suggests that plants can improve your mental health at work and make you more productive. People who kept a small plant on their desk had lower levels of anxiety and stress at the end of a 4-week period. They brighten up a space and help teach people responsibility. Not only do they help mental health, but physical health. When humans breathe, we take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants do the opposite and take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Not only freshens up the air, but also eliminates harmful toxins. Even though the benefits are fantastic, you still have to put work into maintaining your plant's health.
Overall, plants are a wonderful hobby to indulge in.